Hi, good morning. It's the day after my husband's birthday, and you guys, I was too exhausted. In fact, I don't think I even have a clip of the birthday, but if I do, I'm going to insert it. Maybe you might have seen it before this, but I was too tired to even vlog. In fact, I was vlogging at some point and I got frustrated. You see the parts where I talked about the cake that I ordered, what I ordered versus what I got. I ordered a black and gold cake from this vendor on Instagram, and what got to me was a white pink with pearls on it and all. I was too pissed yesterday. In fact, that thing spoilt my mood for yesterday because it destroyed the entire idea for the decor. But in all, we had fun, we enjoyed ourselves, and that was what I wanted. My husband was super excited for what we did yesterday. He was too excited. See, at the end of the day, just do what you want to do, because the type of man that I married wouldn't have allowed me celebrate his birthday this way. But you guys, guess what? The main birthday is coming up soon. Like, this is his birthday for this year, but there's this year that I want to go all out on him because he's such an amazing and sweet man. I couldn't have wished for a better husband, sincerely. I'm not even lying. He's just a caring man and I love him. Like, I love him so much. Yeah, so today I want to pick up my life from where I stopped, which was going back to doing makeup. One of my friends said she doesn't mind helping me with the upgrade class. I'm going to my friend's place for upgrade. I don't even know if it's possible. My model disappointed me, so I'm moving my class till tomorrow, where I'll be more comfortable and ready for it. So tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's the next day after I told you guys I was going for an upgrade class. I didn't go eventually. Yesterday it was raining throughout, and the time it came out it was too late to go for the class, and I had emergency. Not really emergency, but then we had to go to the hospital yesterday. But today I am off to see a tailor, a new tailor that someone referred to me. So I attend Streams of Joy, just in case you don't know, and Pastor Joy's birthday is celebration though in church is on Sunday, and we were asked to wear these clothes. This is the national wrapper for Streams of Joy Women's Fellowship. I'm in Women's Fellowship, you guys, and they said we should tie wrappers, so I'm going to be looking like old mama. On Sunday I'll show you guys my outfits. It might be in another vlog, it might still be in this vlog, but I will definitely take you guys along with me. This is for Women's Day. This is the Women's Day wrapper. It has passed though. The Women's Day celebration has passed, but I just want to take them to the tailor. This is another fabric that my husband got for me. This is not wrapper style, okay? This is not blouse and wrapper. This is going to be something maybe boo-boo or kaftan, you know, these beaded or stoned outfits. That's the plan I have for this fabric because it's so nice and it has this shiny stuff on it. But for these two church wrappers, they are white lace blouse, and they just cut the wrappers into two and you tie two double wrappers. They just want me to look like with mama, but that's not a problem. So that is where I am headed to. I washed my car. I didn't show you guys because it was too dirty. Like, I mean, too freaking dirty. I've been up and doing this morning also. Changing my children's school from where they used to be to another school. This school is way better than where they used to go to, and proximity is actually favoring me. Proximity wise is favoring me. So I went to pick up the admission form, application form, and I'll be filling this later on in the day when I get home. And yeah, that's just which is transfer certificate, transfer from where to it. But then that's just that's what I am going for. But let us go to the market together. my phone tripod, the tripod in the car is not here, so I don't know if I'll get to show you guys the road and Abuja town general, but if I'm in traffic I'll do short clips for you guys. So talk to you guys later. You guys, at this point I feel Aisha is a bad influence, because tell me why I went to buy boba tea and it is my first time trying it, because she keeps saying this is good. So I went to these boba pops to get mine. This is what it looks like. I think it has caramel and something. I told them to give me their best flavor, so this cost me 7,500 naira. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, let us give it a try. Let's see if it is what Aisha's hype. First sip was nice. 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 I love it. But then, you guys, I want to say something real quick before I start driving. I don't know if you guys can see me with these gongos. Let me remove it. Okay. So I hate it when people keep stalking me and asking, how far? Are you not going to add another child? Are you not ready to add another child? Don't you want another child? I feel this boy is lonely. He needs a companion. It is really disgusting. It is annoying, because the economy, the state of the economy is not even smiling with anybody. Is this the right time to start thinking of adding another child? Hi guys, so my next and last stop for the day is going to be the salon. See my hair. I've carried this hair for almost 2 months, and I think it's time to let go. The body of this hair is very, 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 very new, but the sad part is they're going to cut it off. If not, it's still very fine, but I think it's time to let go, because the root is looking dirty and unkept. So I am off to the salon. I'm going to show you guys the salon that I will be using. It's a regular salon, but I'm sure on this channel I haven't shown you guys. So I finished my boba tea, you guys. I'm off to the salon, and yeah, I might end the vlog here, or probably when I finish making my hair I'll end the vlog. So thank you guys for sticking around with me. I hope this video is not too long, because I don't want it to be too long. I want to pee. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. But then talk to you guys later. Bye.